Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I wanted to add a layer of high visibility when I'm walking my dog or riding my bike, but I didn't want to add a layer of weight or bulk since it's usually really hot where I'm walking or riding. These high visibility vests are exactly what I was looking for. They are extraordinarily lightweight and fit well over whatever I'm wearing or my husband's wearing. Because it's a set, both of us can wear them and be highly visible, especially in very foggy conditions early in the morning. They reflect beautifully even in low light situations. It's a vest that also comes with an anklet and a bracelet. So you can wear it on your wrist, on your ankle, and of course the vest over your clothing. So very lightweight, which means you're more likely to wear it. Both sets fit well in this little carrying bag. Lots of Velcro and also a convenient little mesh pocket in the front. So lightweight, adjustable, and extremely visible. I like the fact that there's all these adjustments on even the anklet, in that the bracelet is that old school bracelet that just closes automatically. Sometimes I put the bracelet on my dog's harness to make her even more visible. I'm really happy with the way these vests have worked out for the family, and I just feel like it's much easier to see us. This set of vests, anklets, bracelets, all in a carrying bag has been so convenient for me, whether I'm riding my bike or walking my dog. I know that I have it at hand. It's easy to wear and super adjustable. I've been very pleased with this set of vests, and that is my point of view.